Hi, good morning everyone. Welcome to the Philippines. After we thoroughly enjoyed the Del Carmen Fiesta, we are heading north again. It is only 9 o'clock, but the day already good. We are very happy and blessed. I'm in the right time in the right place, so I enjoy the fiesta and took a video of it. Now I am resuming the road trip to north. There is a one waterfalls in Santa Monica. It is called Taktak waterfalls. I heard it is the only waterfalls in Siargao. It is relatively 25 km from Del Carmen. It took for us 30 minutes. On the way you will see a lot of scenic view. At the same time you will see the narrow road with the bush area which is terrifying to travel. Most of the time you have a scenic view. At the same time you have a scary road path also there. From here only 500 meters the waterfalls. If you don't take the right turn, you will end up somewhere else. But this road only leads to waterfalls. So here we have to pay 70 pesos for the entrance fee. The 70 pesos for 2 people and the bike. After pay the entrance fee, the waterfalls only 200 meters. The good thing about this waterfalls, you no need to hike or climb the mountain. The road leads to the waterfalls. From the road you can see the waterfalls. Only couple of steps you have to go down to enjoy the waterfalls. It looks very beautiful and already have some people are there enjoy the fresh water swimming. You have a one small souvenir shop. The waterfalls not that big, only 15 meters, but looks very beautiful, very well maintained. There is a separate place for kids, and this road ends over here, surrounded by a lot of coconut trees. In the shop you can order some lunch also. When I arrived there, not much tourist over here. Looks like whole place for me. They have a small garden. Either way, I'm not going to take a swim here because it's too early of my trip. I don't want to get wet right now. It is only 10 o'clock. Still we have to go around the island. So I'm going to take only a video over here. This place very deep, so people can only know swimming can swim over here. I tested the water. The water was very cold. And the place was very cleaned. It has a quiet, nice view also. It looks like we are in the canyon. And the locals are very helpful over here. Whoever maintains these waterfalls, they are very friendly. So I decided to fly my drone to get the whole view. From the top, the waterfall is very beautiful. It is worth to visit. Look at that, how beautiful it is. This place worth to visit. If you are planning to go to the road trip to north, This place must visit because this is the only waterfalls you have in Siargao. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and comment below and subscribe. Look at that. It's beautiful. It's always very good see the top view which we cannot see. That's why the drone shot always amaze me. It gives the true beautiness of the whole place. This is the reality actually. You can see that the road ends over here, so you cannot miss it. If you take the right turn, you will exactly end up in the waterfalls. You can see a lot of coconut trees. I'm really happy I'm visiting north and find these waterfalls. If you love the waterfalls, you must go there and take a bath. On the third day, I'm doing all these kind of things because the first day I do island hopping, the second day I took the land tour. Only thing to go, I had to go to the north and see the other places. So I hired one person from the hotel. The person who driving me, I forgot his name. I'm sorry about that. He's the only one off this day. So I talked to him, if you're day off, can you drive me to the north? He's from the north, so he knows the place. Whenever you go to other places, especially you are single with a lot of valuable things like a drone, everything, you should accompany with somebody who knows the local. At the same time, he can drive, you can relax and sit down. So you can enjoy your road trip. At the same time, when you reach the place, you have your own energy. You can enjoy the place a little bit more nicer. If you're driving, then you reach the place, then again you need to do all this kind of thing, you lose a lot of energy. So hiring a driver from the hotel is much better. It's easier. At the same time, it will be more safety. Safety comes first. That's the main thing. We hire a driver from the hotel. I only paid the guy 1,500 pesos, which normally I used for the tour for any day. So he was happy to have the 1,500 pesos and drive me around. I provided him the lunch. We have the lunch together. So that is a bonus for him. At the same time, he makes some money on his off day. I have my driver, which he can take care of my driving and my belongings, because my belongings very valuable and have a lot of money worth. That's what I did. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and comment below and subscribe.